Hello there, today we're going to take a look at the 5 best mouse for Minecraft in the market for this year. We're going to show you our 5 best picks and we'll talk about whether or not you should buy it. We'll put the links to all of the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. Logitech G502. This Minecraft mouse boasts many handy features, customizable weight and ultra-fast wireless performance. The body accommodates 11 programmable buttons and has an integrated hero sensor with up to 16,000 dpi that ensures accurate tracking. You are sure to enjoy high responsiveness and 1 millisecond wireless connectivity. When you first grab a mouse, you may be overwhelmed with its large weight. However, you can customize it by removing any of 6 weights and get a well-balanced manipulator for your personal gaming style. The Logitech G502 has adjustable RGB lighting for the DPI indicator and the brand logo on the shell. The most appealing feature is that you can connect this mouse to the PowerPlay charging mat and enjoy uninterrupted gaming sessions. Number 4. Corsair M65 Elite. You can choose this gaming mouse for Minecraft if you are looking for something durable and customizable. The Corsair M65 Elite is known for a long and narrow construction, which makes it an ideal option for righties using a claw grip type. It also features 2-zone RGB lighting and 8 customizable buttons. The lower side is aluminum with 5 glide pads and 3 removable weights. It makes tracking super accurate and allows for full sensitivity customization. 2 buttons on the upper side make choosing the suitable DPI very easy, so you can quickly hop from 100 to 18,000 DPI value. The conveniently located sniper button helps reduce sensitivity in crucial moments. Number 3. GWolves Hattie 3360. The GWolves can be called the best mouse for Minecraft in the group of lightweight models. It has a honeycomb shell, which is promised to endure the most intense gaming sessions. The mouse both looks and feels like a well-built product. It is made of durable plastic and has practically no flex. The mouse comes with a 12,000 dpi PixArt PMW3360 optical sensor, which eliminates possible jitter, spinning out or acceleration. There is a DPI switcher below the scroll wheel, so you can easily toggle between 7 available DPI settings. Thanks to the kit software, you can take advantage of a broad range of customization features such as double-click speed, scrolling speed and the lift-off distance. Number 2. SteelSeries Rival 710. The SteelSeries Rival 710 is a decent gaming mouse, which combined the top-level performance with amazing customization capabilities. The mouse has the proprietary TrueMove 3 optical sensor based on PixArt, which provides amazing accuracy and true 1:1 tracking. The left side of the body is occupied by the OLED display, using which you can promptly access the sensitivity settings, in-game statistics, button mapping, Discord notifications, and personalized GIFs. This gaming mouse for Minecraft has 2 RGB lighting pieces, a logo at the bottom and the scroll wheel. However, the most useful feature is that you can disassemble the construction and replace some constituents with alternative elements. Number 1. HyperX Pulsefire Raid. The HyperX Pulsefire Raid is a good investment offering gamers 11 programmable buttons and more commands directly at their fingertips. The mouse has an ergonomic design and lightweight body, which is ideal for side grips. This Minecraft gaming mouse comes with a PixArt 3389 sensor that adds precision and accuracy to all your movements and tracking. There is a special button below the scroll wheel meant for selecting the most suitable DPI. The model has adjustable RGB lighting, allowing gamers to alter the colors, pattern and effects with the help of a dedicated application that should be downloaded separately. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.